coming up only to hold you under, coming up only to show your own, and to know you is hard, we wonder, to know you all wrong, we want. Too late to call, so we wait for morning to wake you is all we got. To know me as hardly go down, is to know me all wrong, we want. Every occasion I'll be ready for the funeral. Every occasion, once more, it's called the funeral. Every occasion I'll be ready for my funeral. Every occasion, oh, 1 billion days funeral. Hello everybody, I'm Vasco from ukulelecheats.com, and today we're making The Funeral by Band of Horses. I'll show you how to play it 1/2 tone down than the original recording, because that way the chords are a lot easier. If you want to play along with the original recording, you can just put a cap on the first fret of your ukulele and play with the chords and the pick that I'll show you. Or you can go to ukulelecheats.com and you can see the chords in the original key, but they are bar chords. Also, I'll be doing this on a low G string ukulele, because we need lower tones for the pick. If you don't have a low G string, you can still learn the song, but it will sound better with a low G, okay? Anyway, let me show you the chords that we need in this version, and after that we will continue with the tutorial. Alright, so the first chord we need is the chord of G. Then we need the chord of D. I'm grabbing it with one finger, maybe for you it will be easier with three. After that we need the chord of A, and finally the chord of B minor. Okay. Alright, so throughout this song we have a few different parts. The first and most important one is the main part, which is 1 time G, 1 time D, 1 time A, and 2 times B minor. Yes, when you are counting it, there are 5 chords in a row, and they're repeating over and over 5 chords, okay? And throughout this part, we have a little pick that I'll come a little bit closer now to show you. Alright, so we have pretty simple pick on the main chord progression. First, we go on the G, and on the G chord, you have 2 ways to do the pick. The first one is right here on the C string 7th fret, E string 7th fret, and A string 5th fret. And you're doing C, E, A, E, okay? The alternative is to grab a normal G chord and to do E string, A string, and with the pinky A string 5th fret, then you remove it. Okay, so either this or this. It's the same notes, just different places to grab them. I would prefer this one because when you're sliding to go to D chord, you're imitating the sound that is in the original recording of the song. This thing. Alright, so we have G, then we go to D and we do the same. C, E, A, E. After that we go to A chord and we do G string, C string, E string, C string. And then to B minor, and again the same as on the A chord. G, C, E, C. And this is repeated twice. Alright, here's it, the whole thing. So the song starts with the pick that I showed you, and also we keep on playing the pick in the first verse, but when you go to the second verse, the song gets a little bit louder. And we're holding the same chord progression, but we're just strumming the chords. What I'm doing is down, up, 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 down, up. It's not really necessary to follow this. You can do whatever strumming pattern you want, but this is just what I'm doing. And after that we have the chorus, which is in every occasion I'll be ready for the funeral. In every occasion, once more, it's called the funeral. Alright, on this part we are repeating 6 chords in a row, and after that over and over again 4 times. Every occasion I'll be ready for the funeral. Every occasion, once more, it's called the funeral. And after the chorus, when you go to the verse, you start with the pick again. For the first 2 lines, and then you start the strum. So the verse after the chorus is kind of split. Half of it is with the pick, the other half is with the strums. And after that we have another chorus, and at the very end of the song we have the outro, which is just 4 chords repeated over and over again, and they are G to D to A to D. Alright? And this is the extended version of the song. In the shorter version of the song, this outro is just cut. It's not there. I think that the video version is with the cut outro. But anyway, we'll do the play along with it, okay? And that's all you need to know. Let's go to the play along right now. Alright, so that was my ukulele tutorial for the funeral. Thank you very much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you really soon.